We are back with another one, and we're working with Bojangles today. Okay, so check me out. I got my mashed potatoes, and guess what Bojangles is giving out now? But they giving out not only hot sauce, but it's Texas Pete hot sauce. Go to Bojangles now. Run. Fuck. I got me a Cajun chicken sandwich, biscuit sandwich. I'm finna fuck it up. What you got, man? I dropped all the napkins.
I got a large fry. 2 blueberry biscuits.
2 blueberry biscuits. Nothing to drink. Ain't getting none of my shit either. Anyway, look at that. Mashed potatoes with gravy. First, let's get it. I might don't do brown gravy, but I like portion gravy too, and this shit good. I'm not surprised. It's hot as hell. It's so hot. It's so good. I'm about to chomp down my chicken biscuit. Look how it look. Good as fuck. Good as fuck. I'm about to drizzle that hot sauce on it. I ain't even putting. I'm not holding back. I'm not holding back. Let's get it. That's that Texas Pete hot sauce. I don't like how crunchy the bread is. I like my bread soft and almost doughy.
I'll tell you.
It's good. Come the fuck on, how to say, trying to sneeze. Go ahead. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like my Bojangles biscuits. I don't like them hard. I don't like them crunchy at all. I like them soft. Especially with my crispy ass chicken sandwich. I don't want a crispy ass biscuit with a crispy ass chicken sandwich. You know what I mean? Like, am I tripping? Am I bugging? I'm not gonna mess on. What?
That fry was hot as fuck.
Watch your mouth. The chicken is good though. Man. Don't let no bugs in here.
Come on. Give me a fork too.
What you mean a fork?
Let's see how fast. Ready?
You gotta be like me.